guys, my name is Rupal from Lexicon Company. Today I'll talk about the concept of maritime lien. A maritime lien is one of the most crucial aspects of maritime laws. A maritime lien is considered a maritime privilege in civil law. It is one of the finest and the most noticeable peculiarities of maritime laws. A maritime lien is a claim against a vessel that can be imposed or executed through the seizure of a particular thing or relevant property. This provision was brought into existence to provide credit to the ships freely and simultaneously to ensure that the ship owners do not escape their debts without making the payment as a way of furnishing security. The maritime lien provides a right to property in deference to services offered to it or in case of any injury caused by the property. This right exists as a matter of law irrespective of any change in ownership. To avail of this claim, retaining the possession of the vessel by the creditor is not a requisite condition. A maritime lien is often called as barnacle attached to the ship's hull because a maritime lien concerning a particular ship travels with that ship, even if there has been a change in the ownership. So that is it about the concept of maritime lien. If you have any further doubts, you can comment down below. Thank you.